adjustable trigger stop is a simple design. It has a flat side and a thick side. So if there's a lot of room behind the trigger, you would use the thicker portion of the trigger stop. If there's very little room behind the trigger, you can use the flat side. There's about a 3 to 4 millimeter range of thickness between the flat side and the thick side. So to demonstrate how it works, this is a Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 380. Simply place the flat side of the trigger stop behind the trigger, and it goes in there quite nicely, as I knew it would. And to get it out, all you have to do is take your finger and just simply push it out. It's as simple as that. If, for example, this was too loose back here, you could use the thicker portion of the trigger stop to put behind the trigger. In this case, you don't have to worry about it. Here's another sample. This is the K version, Smith & Wesson K frame. And in this case, the trigger stop is basically too loose behind the trigger. So in this case, you pull it out and you insert it in the thick side. And now you have something that is very effective and, again, easily pushing it out anytime you want.